So here's kind of a fun, unique challenge that I give myself every semester, and I finally found the perfect solution to it. At the beginning of every semester, actually before the beginning, I try to sit down and I list out all of the major topics that I'll be teaching in my classes. Additionally, I like to type out the days and the weeks that I'll have for each topic. It's a great way to pace myself out. Now, our calendar schedule, each of our classes either meets on a Monday and a Wednesday or on a Tuesday, Thursday. This is kind of common for most colleges. And so what I'm really trying to do is for each particular class is to list out every Monday and every Wednesday for that week for the semester. And I also want to pay attention to days like when spring break happens or when Easter or Martin Luther King, days that we have off happen. And I'll mark those on my calendar too. So what I'm left with is kind of a grid that looks like this, and it gives me each of the days that I have. Here's how I generated the list. What I would used to do is just to open up a calendar and to type out each and one of the days and go back and forth and check it. It took way too long. I'm using Excel, and Excel's got a great way of listing out each of the dates that I needed. The first thing I'm going to do, so let's do this for Mondays and Wednesdays. So I'll do Monday in this column and Wednesday on this column. Type out your beginning date. So my date of starting would be January the 12th, 2015. And that's on a Monday. And what I'm going to do, I've got it selected. I can go up to Edit, down to Fill, and we're going to choose Series. And this will bring up our Series dialog box. This will allow me to fill out a column based on a particular set of information that I want. What I'm going to do is every column, I want to give it a specific date and a day. And I'm going to step the value, in this case increments of 7, because I want to know every Monday. So I'm going to skip over every 7 days. Type in the stop value. Well, this will be when graduation day is, whatever day that is, which is May the 8th. I think it's on a Friday, 2015. When I hit OK, what I'm given is a list of every Monday between this day and this day, and it works out perfectly. I can do the same thing for Wednesday. So Wednesday would be the January the 14th, 2015. By the way, if I hold down my control key, I'm on a Mac, and click and drag, it didn't work that time. Let's see if it'll work this time. There we go. This will give me increments one day at a time, and I can fill it in that way. Of course, it's not what I want, but I do want to select it. I can go to Edit. We'll fill it with a series, and again, we'll step it out 7 times, and we're going to do it in the columns so it goes up and down, and we'll give it the 8th, May the 8th, 2015. When I say OK, now I've got my 2 columns of Monday and Wednesday dates. All I've got to do is to copy them, open up my Word document, we'll make a new one. When I go to paste them, I like to do the special formatting where it's unformatted. All I have is a tab between those two. And it works out perfectly from there. Hope this tip will help somebody out online.